In this video, I'll show you how to fix your HP LaserJet M140w or WE printer. So in case you're having issues with it, first of all, the simplest thing that can fix a problem is to simply go on the back and you're gonna unplug the power cable. Even if the printer is turned on, simply unplug it, wait around 2 minutes, plug it back, and most of the time this simple trick will fix almost all issues. Now, if you're still having problems with your printer, you can do a reset. There's two kinds of resets you can do. The first one is a Wi-Fi reset, which will reset only the network of the printer and all its connections with the other devices. And you also have a factory reset, which will reset obviously everything. The printer will be brand new after doing this. So let's start by doing a Wi-Fi reset only, and then I'll show you the second method. To reset the Wi-Fi, well, turn on your printer. Make sure there's something on the screen here. And now you're gonna press the Wi-Fi button and the X button both at the same time. Keep them pressed for around 5 seconds until the power button right here starts blinking. Then you can lift your finger from these two buttons. In around 2 minutes, the printer will be ready to go and ready to pair with your new device because it will shut down, it will power on, just leave it do its thing. So this is a Wi-Fi reset. But how do you do a full factory reset? Well, step number one is to turn off your printer. So press the power button here and wait. Wait until there's nothing on the display and there's nothing blinking on the buttons. Now, with the printer turned off, press the X button and the down arrow button. Both of these, okay? Let me press on them. And now with another finger, press the power button. Wait like this, keep your finger pressed on these two buttons until you see NU appearing on the screen. Maybe it's not clear on video, but I see NU. Now I can lift my finger from these buttons and wait. The printer is now starting its factory reset. All right, so it took around, I would say, a minute and a half. NU has disappeared. It was written HP and now it says 01 and the Wi-Fi button is blinking. Perfect. It means that the factory reset has been completed. So this is about it. You have two different ways now in case you're having issues with this unit. Leave a like. If you want to support my channel, check my Amazon affiliate links. If you want to get some paper, ink, or even a new printer, every time you do so, I get a very small commission. And yeah, thanks for watching.